4D, 4D, 4D. Didi! Hi, Didi! Kailang blueberry na to. Burrito niya din. You like it? Yeah, nom nom. Yummy! Yummy, yummy in this belly. Yummy, yummy in my belly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right, you're right. Yeah, your clothes are there. Finish your food so you can put your clothes on. Yeah, I'll get the Santa photo today. You'll see the Santa photo today, okay?
Yeah.
So amazing.
No.
More? You finish it? Oh no! Just wait. It's coming. It's so yummy.
Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Malapit na mauus.
Tatlo, Mandi!
Yummy. So yummy. Yeah. I love you. Not much left. It's all for you, okay? More. Just wait. Not coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yum. Kabuyasan anang day. I'll just wash all this so you can have all of it. Is that a good idea? I know. We'll buy more later. Mommy and Dee go to the shops today.
Mama,
Yes?
a backpack.
A backpack?
And then I can, like I think, yeah, and then I can put in.
A carrier.
Yeah.
We have a carrier and you have a backpack.
Me too. Look, I can put it in my backpack.
Okay. You want a backpack too? Yeah, yummy? Yummy! So lucky. Yummy, yummy in this belly.
How do you go in there?
Yummy. Good job, yep. And then here.
Write my name?
Yeah, Ayla.
Right here. Look at mine. Right here.
I already wrote your name, Alo.
It's done.
It's done, yeah. You look good. I like your outfits, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I wear it like that.
Yeah, you can. Oh, tuck it in like a cool, trendy boy. Good job, Ayla. That's for your teachers, Miss D and Mrs. Schools. Ang cute ng dalawa kong anak. Naka-Christmas outfits. Christmas party nila Ayla ngayon sa class. D! That's not D's. That's Kuya's.
Yes.
Alright, say bye to them, Indy. Say bye to them. Bye, guys. Enjoy school. Ayla, say thank you to your teacher, and Alo, say thank you to your teachers, okay? Yeah, say thank you. When you give them the present, say thank you. Okay?
Why I say thank you?
Sabi niya kasi ako magbibigay ng present. Bakit ako magte-thank you?
Daddy's a nice daddy.
Is he?
Yeah. He took the spinner.
Did he?
Yeah.
Mag-ready na din tayo. Happy Tuesday pala, guys. So, today is Arlo's last day of school. So, bukas yung last day of school ni Ayla. Tapos, half day lang. 12:30 lang siya. So, school holiday na! So, ngayon, aalis kami ni Indy. Kasi kukunin namin yung Santa photo na we took nung Thursday. Pwede na siya kunin starting yesterday but obviously yesterday, wala kami dito. Yesterday ng hapon na kami dumating, mga 5:30 na ng hapon. So ngayon natin kunin, tapos mag-grocery shopping na din tayo. So straight ko lang yung, parang outside lang naman ng buhok ko. Hindi ko na ginagalaw yung ilalim. 2 weeks na ba? Less than 2 weeks before kami umalis. We will be crazy busy. Ang daming mga kailangan na sigasuhin. Tapos school holiday pa. Nasuot ko na finally yung binili ko sa Zara na top. Maganda to. Yung may pa lining dyan na parang terracotta, dark terracotta. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong susuotin ko sa binyag mo. Meron akong white na blouse dyan. Pero ano ba yung partner ko? Put this on. So, bibinyagan pala namin yan si Indy sa Pinas. Di, ano na yan, di. Pinag-uupin mo dyan. Pinatry ko sa kanya kagabi yung dress ni Ate Ayla. Nagkasya naman sa kanya, guys. So, hindi na ako bibili ng white dress for her. Pero kailangan ko bumili for Ayla. And then, like, a polo top for Arlo. Kinip ko actually yung dress na suot ko sa binyag ng dalawa. Gamitin natin tong BLK Cosmetics na creamy all-over paint. Ito yung blush na dinala ko kinamanay. And maganda tong blush na to, guys. Binigay to ni Miss sa akin. Yung shade nito is Palm Springs. And maganda siya actually. Tapos yung brush na gamit ko is yung Hourglass na brush. Ito yung foundation brush nila na maliit lang. Ang perfect nito for cream blushes. So, all over paint, I think pwede din tong i-lip tint. Pero maganda siyang kulay na blush. Bagay siya sa lahat actually kasi pinagamit ko to kay Manay and bagay na bagay din kay Manay to. So, feeling ko ito na yung dadalhin ko sa Pinas. Tapos, dapat dalhin tong brush na to kasi ang perfect niya lang. Yung ganito lang na brush, parang dense pang foundation. Mommy's almost done. Yeah, almost done with my coffee. Ano ba yan? Nakapag-ano na ako. Ay, that's alright. Nakalimutan ko. Nandito lang siya, guys. Yung aking Scalpy Hair Serum. So, ito, kinoconcentrate ko sa, dito lang sa, harap. Yung night serum, yung nilalagay ko all over talaga hanggang sa likod. Ay, nako. Nakapag-ano na tayo, straight ng buhok. Ay, nako. Tapos gusto ko pang mag-edit. Paano? Wag na muna nating isipin yun. Parang imposible pa yun. Sa mga kaganapan natin lately.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. You wanna say hello? Hello! I'm Dee. Are you Dee? Ay, perfect ka talaga, Dee. Perfect ka talaga. Nag-push siya, guys. Perfect ka talaga, Dee. Can we wear this? Sandal? Sandal lang ta. Come here. Come here. Not this one. Give me that. Come on. This one. Nililingkod na. Umupo na siya doon. This one here. This way. Come on. Nakaupo na siya. Oh, shoes na siya. Shoes! So cute! I like shoes! So pretty! Bi, alam mo ba, Bi? Maliit na to sa'yo, Bi. Hala. You wanna buy new shoes? New sandals? Here, one foot. This foot. After niya magsuot ng isa talaga, alis na yan siya. Paano na yung isa, di? Two feet. Alright, all done. Let's go. Let's go. Yay. You ready? Shopping again with Mama. Do you wanna show them your fit? Mommy's fit, Zara top, Zara skirt. Oh, Didi's fit. Kmart! Kmart all the way! Oh my goodness! Tapos yung Charles and Keith ko na sandal na sobrang komportable. Alright, let's go! Didi, let's go! Let's go! Car! Quick! Go, 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 go! Good job! This way, this way! Lagpas ka na, Di! Hoy! This way! Didi! Doon sa kabila. Dede! Ikot ka, De. Ba! Asan siya? Di! Didi! Peekaboo! There. Come back. Hey, listen. Car. Come on. Yes. Good job. Wow, car. So cool.
Smiley faces in the paper, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at.
It's okay, we're going.
Every exit's getting louder.
It's okay, we're going.
I'd assure you that
Let's
it's
go.
nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. Then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes
Navigate
that
to
you
Golden
won't.
Grove Shopping Center.
Look in the mirror and
Getting
find
directions to the
me
Grove
with
Shopping
no
Centre.
crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't
Do you wanna sing?
ruin the moment,
Play
so
double XL.
it's gone
I miss
before
you,
you
double XL. Oh, will forever be waiting for you. We're here, guys. Alam niyo bang tulog ang aking day? Ginawa ko na ang lahat. Tulog siya, guys. That's alright. Last check ko sa kanya, 3 minutes away. 3 minutes away na lang, di. Ano ba yan, di? Perfecto. Perfecto. Beautiful. Didi. Tulog talaga siya. Walang dami, sobrang lakas ng music. Wala talagang magpapapigil sa aking di. Alright, we're very early. Alas 10 pa yung open ng photo collection. It's only 9:45. So, dito ako sa kabilang dulo nagpark. Kasi yung photo collection is sa kabilang entrance eh. Pero dito ako kasi alam ko maaga ako. So, we will go to Big W first. Kasi may mga lista ako dito na kailangan bilhin.
Come before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of feelings
Pumasok ako dito sa beauty kasi kailangan kong bumili ng lipstick ni mama. Nandun ata yun, nandun. But I'm looking at other stuff as well. Just in case. May makita tayo. Oh yeah, kailangan ko din pala ng sunscreen. Agoy, ayun. Ay, ang galing. Wow. Perfect. That's perfect. Ay, gising siya mga guys. Bilhin ko na tong dalawa kasi ang mura na lang nito. Ang mamura ng sunscreen. Ang mahal ng sunscreen kaya. See, from $22, $7.92 na lang. This is for kids. Check ko lang kung may expiration date. May expiring sunscreen. January 2026. Kaya pala. Wait. Ibalik ko yung iba. Expired na. November pa na-expire. Itong banana boat naka-sale din. Kailan yung expiry nito? Expired na din. Yeah, wag yan expired. Ito na lang. Isa lang yung sa kids kasi January naman to gagamitin. Marami pa naka-clearance dito. Tapos matagal pa siya ma-expire. So palitan natin yun. Ito yung bilhin natin. See, 9/2026 pa. May maingay na mga bata guys kasi Santa photo dyan sa labas. Wala masyadong maraming selections ng lipstick. Siguro punta ako ng Priceline mamaya. Okay na ako sa sunscreen muna. Diba sabi ko may dress na siya yung kay Ayla. Kasya sa kanya. Look. Ang cute. Ay nako. Kunin ko ba to? Or okay na tayo dun? Ewan ko, pinag-iisipan ko pa. Kasi okay lang yun. Kay Ayla yun. Pero hindi yun nasuot ni Ayla sa binyag. Iba yung suot niya. Now, hinahanap ko yung white dress naman for ate. Where's Daddy? Daddy! Merong mga maraming sandal dito. Kaya lang mga pangmalaki na to. Wala na yung size 4. Let's go pay! Dito na ako sa Priceline. Buti na lang hindi ko pinilit dun sa Big W yung mga lipstick kasi ang dami dito. So, ito yung L'Oreal. Puro half price. Ang galing. Tapos nandito pa yung mga kakulayan ni Mama.
You have it in the halo of the street lights. Stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know.
Let's go to Woolies. Do some shopping. Nakuha na namin yung photo, guys. So, last stop na natin to. Naka-sale talaga yung mga sunscreen, oh. Sabi nila mag-sunscreen kayo, apakainit. Puno na yung ano ko, guys, pram. As in. Punong-puno na yan. Parang tama na kasi punong-puno na. What do I need? What do I need? Punta tayo Tony and Marks and then Sushi Hub later. And tapos na tayo. Cute. Yun yung pram ni D. Punong-puno. Just wait, D. Yung iba hindi ko na pinalagay sa bag kasi hindi na magkasya. One. Okay, I'm coming. Bumili pa kasi ng napis. Oh my goodness, napakainit, guys. You right there? Wait, sabi, close tayo yan, eh. Napakainit. Oh my goodness, guys. Napakainit. Sana wala ako nakalimutan. Okay lang. Ang importante ang photos. Kasi ang layo nito sa bahay namin. But sobrang cute na photos, guys! Oh my gosh, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. We have to drive while Indy is alright. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. So this year, dalawa yung photos namin. Yung isa, kaming lahat. Tapos yung isa, yung mga kids lang. Ang cute! My goodness! Ang cute nilang tatlo. Buti na lang maganda yung kuha. Tagoy, ayun na. Nagkahulog-hulog na ang ating mga talong. Ang sarap sumubo ng sushi. May dala akong ano dito actually. Mani. Konti na lang to. Binaon namin to sa trip namin. Hindi na ubos. Kasi diba hindi ako kumakain ng breakfast?
Anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around? A part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't. Look in the mirror to find me a window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice.
We are home, you guys. It is, oh my gosh, 12:41 ng hapon. Bumili ako sushi. My favorite, spicy salmon nigiri, spicy crab stick nigiri, at saka yung tuna sandwich. Tuna salad sandwich. Ako tawag niya. Look at this, you guys. The photos. Actually, I'm gonna post it on the screen para mas clear yung makita nyo. So, as a family, and just the kids, look at you! You're so cute! Look at you! Is that me? So, pumayag sila na dalawa yung ipakuha namin. Kasi libre kaya to. Golden Girl. Malayo yun sa amin, but doon na kasi kami nasanay. Tapos, mas gusto din namin same yung picture every year. Alright, let's do a haul habang okay pa ang aking B. So, sa Big W, bumili ako nito, guys. Pang Pinas. Pack. Ayan. Ito yung galing Tony and Marks. Nilagay ko dito. Cucumber, talong, broccolini, blueberries. Kasi mas mura sa Tony and Marks. Nakabili na ako sa Woolies. Inauna yung Woolies. Tapos ano lang ata yan? $3. Paborito yun ni Indy eh. Tomatoes. And then lettuce. Gusto kong mag-nachos one day. So that's big. You want more? Here. You like mommy's hat? Oh no, pick it up. Tapos bumili nga ako ng nappies kasi naka half price. Dalawa, isa for D, isa for quiz. Ito is from Woolies na. So itatry natin yung Supreme cheese nila na corn chips. And then I'm pretty sure I've tried this already. Yung kanilang original salted. Para nga sa ating nachos. Ako na talaga nakahat. Oh, Doritos kasi naka-sale. Dalawa nito. Bumili ako ng marami nito but next time na bumalik kami ng shops, dadamihan ko pa kasi dadalhin ko sa Pilipinas. Snack ni Indy. Bumili na din ako ng Nurofen at saka Panadol. Dinamihan ko na para dalhin din namin. And ito yung blueberries. Same lang sila pero mas mura sa Tony and Mark for some reason. This is 3 something. That's $2.99. Strawberries. Taco seasoning. Bumili ako ng maraming boxes nitong Baby Mama para nga kay Indy. So, magdadala kami niyan. And I got the kids strawberry toothpaste. And because mainit na yung panahon and meron tayong space sa ating freezer, I got them Zupa Dupa. And itong last is from Big W. Alright, so binilhan ko si Daddy nito. Meron na akong binili sa kanya last time, diba? Kaya lang baka hindi na yun kasha. Or feeling ko hindi na talaga yung kasha. So I got this. Ayan. And then bumili ako ng tsinelas ni D. Well, hindi naman tsinelas, sandals. Na kasha sa kanya. Size 4 to. Yung suot-suot niya kasi size 3. Tapos feeling ko, hindi na siya magkakasya sa Pinas. Kasi ngayon, as in, sobrang kasyang-kasya lang siya. So this one is size 4. And bumili din ako ng socks para kapag nag-sneakers siya, meron siyang socks na crew socks, yung maikli, kasi yung meron siya ngayon ang hahaba. And ito yung susuotin ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo sa Binyan. So, this is size 5, but wala na kasing size 4 nito. That's for Arlo, polo. Cream naman yung kay Arlo. Tapos kay Ayla, white lang na tutu dress. I got this in size 4 as well, kasi yung 5 masyadong malaki. Okay na sila sa pang-outfit sa Binyan. I got this for Ayla. Kasi meron ata siyang isang long sleeve na swimwear, isang short sleeve yung nabili natin sa Cotton On, tapos isang sleeveless or spaghetti strap. I don't think dadalhin namin yung spaghetti strap, so bumili ako ng isa pang long sleeve. Size 4 din, kasi yung 5 masyadong malaki tingnan. Sana tama ako. It has UPF 50+. And then, bumili ako nito pandagdag pang regalo sa kanya. And then, guys, Big W, nag-sale yung kanilang mga sunscreen. Kahit sa Woolies nag-sale, pero mas bongga yung sale ng Big W. So, naka-half price. Ito $10 na lang from 20 something. Ang mahal kaya ng sunscreen. And then I got this as well kasi ang mura na lang din, $10 na lang din ata. Dadalhin namin to sa Pinas. Kasi alam nyo naman ang aking Danny boy. Grabe ka strict to sa sunscreen. That's everything. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, Di. I know, where's my sushi? Asa na yun, Di? Ito. Tapos sila ate, walang chopstick. Binigyan niya ako tinidor. Asa na nga ulit yung sushi natin, Di? Asa na yun, Di? Uy, asa yung sushi natin? Ay! Nawala atong sushi, Di. Ay, ito. Parang, ewan talaga na, Mars. Nakuha ba yun sa camera yung ewan natin? And then, asa na yung aking soy sauce? Buti na lang meron tayong nakastock dyan na fish soy sauce. Bumili din pala ako ng lipstick ni Mama. Yummy! Kain tayo, guys. Ito na yung lunch ko. Or lunch. Okay. Tingnan nyo siya. Gusto niya din sushi. Na-try na niya to di ba? Alright, come on, let's eat. Of course, I'm gonna give you some. Sus, kabuyag sa akong di. Buyag biya kayo niya kung di mo kaong baya. Sorry. Sarap, di ba? Uy, ang galing mo, ha? So good? Yummy? So good! Yum yum! Say mama. What? Say mama. Tinatawanan-tawanan lang ako dito. Whoopsie. Sorry. Good job, Dede. Yum yum? Good job! Good job, Dede. Well done, babe. Sige, sa'yo na yung tuna salad sandwich. Hindi kasi yan spicy. So yummy! Good job. Galing naman yung day ko. You're showing the guys. Look at me, guys. I'm eating. Yum yum. Yum yum. Soda pop. Happy dance. Agay! Kasakit ato di oy. Lingkod babe, bukat ba din. Kabugat-bugat lang ka de. Lingkod. And then eat. Good job, de. Lami no. Nabitaw ko ni mo lami ni. Gingnan biya kadaan ha. Alis na naman kami, guys. Suot na niya yung bago niyang shoes. Kasha? Oh, pretty naman yan. Alright, let's go. Where are we going? Huh? Huh? Pick up natin yung dalawa. How was school, Ayla?
Good.
How was school, Alo?
Good.
Good? Oh my gosh, you guys. Pakainit. Pasensya na sa AC.
What did you do?
Woo! Nabawa yung mga bata. Ang init.
Mom, look! It melted.
That's okay. Tapos I had to park on the side street kasi walang car park na available dun sa school car park. Kasi parang may event. So, may maraming parents ako nakita dun sa kanina. Sa school hall. So, nauna na sila sa akin kahit ang
Mommy?
aga ko. Yes?
Ollie, did you hear the bell? Yeah.
What was the bell for?
The fire. The fire drill.
Fire drill?
Yeah, fire drill.
Okay.
Ollie, did you get out? Cause I saw Eli.
Did you?
I see Eli. Did you get out there? Cause I didn't see her. Like the fire drill.
Did you guys go out, Alo? Did you go out, Alo? Your class?
Yeah, I mean it's like elbows here, and that's inside.
That's good.
That's when we go outside. It's like inside, outside. As far as inside, when we are going outside, when we are going inside, then I define outside.
Ready to see? What do you want to see first? The family photo or the kids?
Oh, good.
Kids? Can you see it, Alo?
2021.
Yeah, it's 2025. Look at you. Look at you.
That's the kid photo.
Yeah.
I want to see this
Grumpy
one.
boy. It's amazing. Look. Look at Indy. It's so pretty. And look at Ayla. Your smile is so beautiful. I love your hair as
And
well.
look
It's
at
nice
my
and curly.
smile.
Your smile here is so good, Ayla.
Mom, there's a hat. There's one.
No, that's the, remember where he put all his headbands that he was giving away? Yeah.
You want to try? No, I want it up front. Do you want to try this one? Try it.
Ayla, what do you say to Ate?
Thank
She's sharing everything to you. Thank you, Ayla. Such a good girl.
Here, guys.
Just be careful, please. Make sure you don't drop it on the floor
Yeah.
because Indy, okay?
Yeah. Yummy.
How was the party today? How was
My favorite thing was the Grinch.
What?
The
There was a
Grinch.
Grinch?
No, there was like a Grinch thingy we did. the way the brand.
Oh, really?
We copy the move.
Ah, amazing.
I did the same thing enemy move.
Video?
Yeah.
Luto tayo guys ng dinner. Hello?
Hello, what are we doing for dinner tonight?
The noodle soup. You said noodle soup.
Okay, do you still want to do that? Have you started that or not really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
cool,
sir.
good. Okay.
Why? Do you want something else?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
The jar. Remember the one that we use for nachos? Okay.
Yeah, I got no idea.
Nagluluto ako ng dinner. Itong si Dan, nakakalimutan ang mga usapan namin. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Nagtanong ako sa kanya kanina, anong gusto mong dinner? Sabi niya, noodle soup. Tapos ngayon sabi niya, may dinner ba tayo? Siyempre naman, alam nga naman, wala tayong dinner. So, nasa shop si Dan kasi meron siyang kailangan gawin for work. Tapos dinala niya yung mga bata. Ano lang naman, kailangan lang niya mag-take ng picture ng property. So, dinala niya yung mga bata. Tapos pumunta siya ng Coles. Kasi kanina walang Coles dun sa pinuntahan natin. So, hindi ko nabili yung brioche bun, yung ibang mga binibili namin sa Coles. Lagay ko yung siomai. Ito yung gawa kong siomai. Konti na lang to sila. I think parang 6 na lang ata yung nasa freezer. In fairness, ha? Tagal na natin yung ginawa. So, lutuin muna natin ang siomai. And then, ilalagay ko yung ating miswa. Ito na yung dinner. Ayan. Ito yung serving ko. Meron akong ketchup dyan. Konting rice. And sa kids, na wala pa. Yan kay Ayla. Nandun yung kay Arlo. Mauna na ako kumain kasi pagising ni Indy, focus na tayo sa kanya. Wait, kunin ko lang ang monitor. Tulog si D. 6:12 na ng hapon. Gabi. Ayan, tulog pa si D. At sa lumpia tayo. Kailangan kong lutuin yung mga nasa freezer kasi medyo matagal tayong wala. Yan. So, may mga lumpia pa ako doon. May mga sausages ako nakita doon. Yung siomai malapit na maubos. Sarap ng lumpia. Kain tayo. Sobrang init sa labas pero malamig sa bahay. So, ang sarap pa din kumain ng sabaw. Buyang. Sarap ng sabaw. I-serve ko na yung kay Dan kasi ang init nito para ma-cool down konti. Tikman natin ang siomai. Uy, buyag. Ang sarap ng siomai. Next year, gawa ulit tayong siomai, guys. Damihan ulit natin para makapag-store tayo. Para hindi na tayo bumili ng siomai.
What?
Dito na yung dalawa. Diretso sa dinner.
I want chocolate.
That's a big one, Daddy. Oh. I'll take care of that, Daddy. Eat your dinner.
That's all right, though. Have you finished?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it.